Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. Now I'm doing this tutorial for those of you that have been having difficult making payments for your ads on Facebook. Now it is no longer news that our Nigerian cards can no longer pay on international platform. And of course, you know that Facebook is an international platform. So for you to make payments, you cannot use a Nigerian card. So one of my subscribers is having this issue and he came to me and asked me for help. So I'm doing this video so that many more people can find this helpful and sort out themselves, okay? So now this is what you do. This is just a brand new Facebook account. So what you need to do is you need to create a brand new Facebook account. Yes, because the old one will not work for this. So create a new Facebook account, and then when you are adding payment, this is where the whole thing happens. So you click on add payment method, okay? When you click on add payment method, this is going to pop up. So make sure that your currency is Naira, all right? Because you're going to be paying in Naira. Okay, so you click on next. When these pop up, boom, you're going to see these options, okay? You're going to see add payment method. The default is your debit card or credit card, which is your bank cards here in Nigeria, your MasterCard, Visa card, and all whatnot, okay? But we are not going to pay with that because when you try to, don't you ever add your debit card on your Facebook ad account. The moment you click on this and add your card, everything is destroyed. So once you get here, what you need to do is, you see this option, Naira payment with MasterCard stroke Visa. You see the PayU is a third party platform that enables you make payment to Facebook using your Naira account. So you just click on that, select that, and also click on next. Now, I want to quickly let you understand the difference here. You know, when you open a Facebook account, there are two types of account, postpaid and prepaid. Now, in the postpaid account, it is usually in dollars. You pay Facebook in dollars. Facebook allows you to run ad even without payment. When you hit a certain threshold, Facebook will charge your card, all right? But in this case, we are using prepaid. The Naira payment option allows you to do prepaid. In that case, you are going to just click on skip, all right? Now, in that case, you're going to only add funds to your Facebook account. You see now, it says add fund. This is add fund now, all right? So let me click out this. Then you go to your payment method area, go to your billing area. You're going to see something there right now. Go to billing. Because of what we have done, we will have an option that will demand us to add fund, okay? You see now, Facebook is asking you to add fund. The moment you do what I have shown you, you're going to have this option to add fund, all right? You are now required to add fund. So what do you need to do? You click on add fund. When you click on add fund, so what that means is that if you want to run ad, say you want to spend 5,000 per day or 2,000 per day, whatever amount you want to spend, you will need to add that money in your account. When Facebook, when your ad is approved and you start running, once Facebook will be taking the money from your balance, all right? So this is a prepaid. You are paying as you go. But in the other one, where you pay in dollar, it is a postpaid. Facebook spend the money, then you pay later, all right? So this is what you do. So you can add any amount. Let's say I want to add 1,000 Naira to this account. Let me add even 500 Naira. Okay. Let's say I want to add a 500 Naira to this account. I click, you select the Naira. Okay. You see here, Naira payment with MasterCard stroke Visa by PayU. So you click on next. Just wait for it to load. The internet is a bit slow. All right. So you see, it has opened now. So it's it asked you to add phone. He said, please click continue to complete your Naira payment with PayU. Please note that the payment page will open on a new window and it closes automatically at the completion of payment. Ensure to no pop-up blocker is enabled. So all you need to do is just click on continue. Then once you click on that, this pop-up window is going to open. All right, the pop-up window has opened. So what you need is select card. You come here and add your card details. Once you add your card details here and you click on, you add your card number here, add the payment, the card holder name, add your expiring date, the month and the year, and boom, you are good to go. That is all you need to do. You're good to go. Once you add that, you click on pay 500 Naira, whatever amount that you intend to fund this account with. Once you do that, you're going to send OTP to your phone. You input the OTP from your bank. Once you input that, the payment is going to be successful. Guys, this is the way to pay for your Facebook ads in Nigeria using your Nigerian bank card. All right. So if you have missed anything, go back, watch this video again and again, and follow the steps properly, step by step. Make sure the account you want to use for this is a brand new ad account, and your problem is going to be fixed immediately. Okay. So guys, thank you for watching. If this is your first time on my channel, please hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that Facebook will always notify you. YouTube will always notify you whenever I upload videos like this. Thank you very much. Like this video, share this video, and comment Facebook payment in the description. Thank you very much. See you in the next one. Bye.